Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see Wi-Fi password on mobile. Okay, to see the Wi-Fi password on mobile, first open the app drawer. Okay, now in app drawer go to settings. Okay, now in settings go to connections, and in connections tap on Wi-Fi. So you can see it is currently connected to TP-Link. Okay, if you want to see the password of TP-Link and any other Wi-Fi network which is previously connected to your mobile phone, just tap on the top right corner over there where three dots are shown, and you can see advanced settings. Now simply tap on advanced settings, and guys, you can see manage networks, manage your saved Wi-Fi networks. Now tap on it, and you can see here we have two Wi-Fi networks available, TP-Link and D-Link. Okay, to see the password of this Wi-Fi network, just tap on it, and you can see password is available over there. Okay, to unhide it, tap over there, and now you can see verify your identity. Now verify your identity, and you can see password is successfully shown. You can see, and if you want to see the Wi-Fi password of this network, again you can see here, you can see this is the unhide logo. Tap on it and verify your identity, and here you can see it is successfully shown. So guys, this is the method to see Wi-Fi password on mobile of any saved Wi-Fi network easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and yes guys, please don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.